How to repel snakes with an electric fence. There are numerous options on the market today when it comes to electric fencing. Installation is quick and easy, and can be performed in less than a day, depending on the size of the area you wish to cover. Electric fencing is a humane deterrent for many common pests, like snakes. Upon encountering an electric fence, a snake receives a small shock that will force it away from the fence. Combining commercial snake repellents with electric fencing can repel snakes from your home and yard. Things you will need: tape measure, shovel, hammer, electric fencing kit, fence posts, fence charger, wire, insulator, wire cutters, gloves. Plan your layout. Begin by making a rough sketch on paper of the area you want to contain within your electric fence. Measure the area you're going to be working with. The measurement does not have to be exact. Electric fence wire comes in fairly large rolls, and chargers can handle a large area, but you should have a general idea of how much fencing you'll require. Determine the spacing and number of wires you plan to run. For a garden-style electric fence, a single brace at the corners with a 3-wire system is perfectly adequate. Choose an electric fence that is right for you and your goals. There are numerous options when it comes to electric fencing, from high-tensile woven wire, to rope and tape fences, as well as electric netting. Different types of fence carry stronger electric currents and are designed to cover varying amounts of terrain. For the typical homeowner, garden electric fencing is the best option to repel snakes. Electric fencing is available at home improvement shops. A full electric fence kit will contain all necessary materials, and is the easiest possible option. Install your posts. Start by sinking the corner and end posts. Drive them straight into the ground, or dig holes for the posts and fill in around them with concrete. Regardless of which method you choose, each hole should be 48 inches deep for maximum stability. Add the insulators to your posts. The wire will be run through these insulators. Run your bottom wire on the base of the posts, and tighten. Place this first wire close enough to the ground to stop snakes within 3 inches of the ground, but do not let the wire touch the ground, as the resulting spark will blow out your circuit and cut the electricity. Close your circuit by attaching this first wire to the electric fence box and plug in. Repeat with 2 additional wires to build a full fence. Close your circuit by attaching the wires to the electric fence box and plugging the system in. Your fence is now active. When working with electricity and electric fencing, always follow safety and manufacturer guidelines. Add snake repellent to your fence line to reinforce the barrier against snakes. Use a commercial snake repellent, available at home improvement shops. Spread the repellent along the base of the fence line, but do not get it on the wires of your electric fence. Tips: warnings. Electric fencing will also repel moles, rabbits, raccoons and other wildlife. Electric fencing could cause fires if it touches dead leaves or grass. Keep the area closely trimmed to avoid this problem.